How to be a TikTok affiliate. Here are the requirements. And these are the acceptable IDs. There are two ways on how to register. First, if you have 1,000 or more followers in your personal account, go to your profile and tap the three lines at the upper right corner. Then tap Creator Tools. Then tap TikTok Shop for Creator. Then sign up using your mobile phone or your email and complete the details. The second way is you have to have a business account. If it is a new account with below 1,000 followers, you have to download the TikTok Shop Seller Center. And then sign up as a seller and complete the details needed. Another way to register if you have less than 1,000 followers is to link your account as a marketing account of your trusted TikTok seller.